Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are reviewing a pair of earbuds. These are Soundcore's Life P3 by Anker. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can find a link down below. This product was sent to me for review, so do bear that in mind. We're going to first start off by unboxing it, so you'll get an idea what this is like if you want to buy it for yourself or you're looking to pick it up as a gift for somebody. I found the unboxing experience a little bit underwhelming for the price point, but it's concise. There's not too much packaging. It's pretty simple and straightforward. A little bit more like Apple style packaging, but overall I thought it was good. It's just not too flashy on the overall unboxing experience, but that's not really a big deal. The most important thing is obviously how the product looks and performs. Let's run through some of the features this product has. So it has multi-mode active noise cancellation, clear calls via 6 microphones. It has up to 7 hours of playtime per charge, and you get an additional 35 from the case. Wireless charging is also supported, and the product is IPX5 water resistant. As well as wireless charging, you can also charge the product via this USB-C cable. Always nice to see USB-C, as this is pretty much the standard now, and you get this cool little plate which has all of your earbud tips as well. I have to say I really like the overall design of this product. The charging case has a really nice matte blue finish, kind of a really dark blue if that's the proper way to describe it, and the glossy logo on top also looks really cool and kind of, you know, not too in your face. And the same goes for the earbuds themselves. They have this really nice kind of accent on the side that goes down the stem, and I just think overall the product looks quite sleek. It's bold, so it stands out, but it's not too much, so it kind of looks tacky, but overall I really like it, as you can tell. You'll see on the other side they have a more of a glossy finish. They're of course labeled left and right as well. And let's talk a little bit about how they feel and their kind of shape. Now, as far as earbuds designed kind of more in the shape of AirPods, I'm generally not a huge fan, more in terms of practicality. I do a lot of exercise, so having this sort of shape can feel like you're wearing something a little bit more. They tend to be a little bit heavier and have a higher chance of moving around, but overall I did enjoy these, which I will talk a bit more about exercise in a second. I'm happy to see they've gone with a simple LED system to display the power left in the case. I'm not a fan of the cases that use a one LED system, or just some other weird system where you actually have to pick up the manual and start reading, you know, which color means what for what battery percentage. It's just a simple tiered system, which is what I prefer. With these earbuds, when you open the case, they will go into pairing mode or will connect to your device if you've already paired them. And I'm not sure if I prefer this method or not to the style where you just take them out of the case and then they go into the same mode. They seem so similar. It's a very minor detail. They did take a little while to show up, but once I had them paired, they connect and disconnect very quickly just by opening and closing the case. Now, once you have them connected, you're going to want to go ahead and download the Soundcore app, which will give you the ability to update the product's firmware and change a bunch of options. This supporting app is still probably one of my favorite features of the Soundcore lineup, and there's a very good reason for that. That reason is the ability to customize your touch controls on your earbuds. Now, once I had this feature in previous Anker products that I tested, I just got used to it, and I found it frustrating anytime I used a product that didn't have this feature, because they would always come with a slightly different touch control scheme, and of course you get used to how you like it, like most of your software, and you want to be able to change something as simple as a touch control, surely. Additionally, you have access to your other features, such as your noise cancellation mode, which gives you a whole bunch of different options, which I'll be talking about in just a second. You also have a gaming mode, which reduces latency but gives you a little bit of instability and will probably decrease your range that you'll get out of the earbuds. Last but not least, you can even mess with the equalizer settings. I do wish there was some presets in here though. Okay, let's talk about the noise cancellation on these earbuds. I'm actually going to have to take them out because they create such a good seal. I couldn't hear my own voice very well. So you have 3 different modes. You have transparency mode, normal mode, and noise cancellation mode. Noise cancellation mode was really great while I was running. It did block out a lot of the background noise. As you've got cars going past, you can obviously hear them, but it definitely makes you feel more immersed in the music. Transparency mode was really useful when I turned that on. If I'm running down a more of a narrow road like this one, I can hear cars coming along, so it feels a lot safer while I have my music maybe on a slightly lower volume, just so you're more aware of what's going on around you. So that's a really helpful feature. I also noticed with noise cancellation mode turned on, the indoor mode didn't make a huge difference. See, raining now, just for the YouTube videos. The outdoor mode did make quite a significant difference. It removed a lot more of the road noise. So overall, I've been really happy with the noise cancellation. Performed pretty similar to how it performed in previous Anker products that I've reviewed. So I will put a link in the video so you can check them out as well. But overall, I've been very happy so far. My experience using this product during exercise was very good. The connection was rock solid. They didn't move around at all during jump rope, during any of my gym workouts, or running, which unfortunately I don't have any footage of. Again, the noise cancellation really immerses you in the music. It removes a bunch of the background noise around you, so you just feel less distracted. Of course, you can still hear loud sounds and things that are close to you, but you shouldn't really expect this from any sort of audio product with noise cancellation. It's not going to remove all noise, but it will remove that kind of annoying background noise and just make you feel more immersed in the song and almost like there's a greater sill in your ear, so less noise is getting in general. So I had a very positive experience using these overall. The touch controls felt very responsive, and I very rarely had any occasions where I touched them and they didn't perform the command, which is a problem I do sometimes have with earbuds. More importantly, we're about 7 minutes into this review and we haven't spoke about how these earbuds sound. Now, I always say this is not an audio specific review channel, so you should always get a second opinion, as I'm not an audiophile or an audio expert. I'm just going to give you my experience and my opinion compared to a lot of other audio products that I have reviewed already. So for the price range this product is at, which I would class as kind of mid-range. I understand the price is £80 at the time of filming this video. It could change, so don't quote me on that, which happens quite a lot. If you can pick them up for less than that, I do think there are still. But overall, I found the audio experience very balanced. They are slightly heavier on the bass side, which I prefer because I listen to a lot of old school rap, a lot of old school hip hop, and I found their audio profile very balanced. I didn't find it blew me away in any one area, but there was a nice amount of bass. A lot of the detail still comes through the instruments and the vocals of the songs you're listening to. Even though you do have that kind of heavy bass thumping in the background, you still have a lot of detail that comes through, which is something cheaper earbuds can have issues with. The bass just kind of drowns out the rest of the music and it's not able to fill in that kind of full profile of the song. Again, like I say, these aren't going to blow you away, especially if you're used to high-end audio, but if you're coming from the low end or you're used to kind of that mid-range type earbuds, I think you'll be very happy with these overall and I would recommend them. The charging experience and battery life for this product was great overall. Of course, you get your nice simple LED tier system to show you how much battery is left in the case. You're going to get up to 7 hours from the earbuds, which is not the best on the market, but it's going to be enough for most people, and in total you'll get 35 hours if you include charging from the case as well. So there's no way you're going to kill these in a day, and I think for even pretty heavy users you're going to be fine using this product. You can always top them up, of course, using a power bank or a portable one like I'm using here. Now, a feature that is important to a lot of you, I'm sure, is call quality. So I did a few calls with this product and the person on the other end said I was very clear. There was very little background noise. They could hear me clearly, which is not surprising considering this product has 6 microphones. Now, of course, if you're in a noisy environment, somewhere that's very echoey, there's a lot of background noise, that is going to be picked up to some degree. The extra microphones do seem to mitigate that, but it's not going to remove it completely. But for general calls, if you're in a room or in a car, the product seemed to perform very well. I would say slightly above average to products I've used in this price range before. My final thoughts on this product are very good. I think overall it just hits so many boxes. It's a very well-rounded, well-balanced product. I have no problems recommending it to you. As always, please check out some other reviews to get a second opinion, as one person is never always right, and maybe there were some things I missed. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, look for a link down below. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.